So excited. Let's go for it. Cheers. Oh yeah. I'm loving it. Oh god. Try the honey barbecue. Give it a shake. Woo. Oh. Doesn't look too overly spicy, but Hi friends, welcome to or back to my channel. It's your girl Sandy. I'm so excited today. I'm trying out the new Popeye's chicken wings. So they came out with these new flavors. I think there are 4 kinds, not including the ghost pepper wings. So we'll be trying them, having them together. I'm so excited. They put them in these gigantic boxes, so they're gonna take up a lot of room, but we're not just gonna have wings. I also cooked up some instant noodles and ramen, so we're gonna be having this with bibimbap. I've had this before. It's been years since I had it. I don't exactly remember why I stopped having them, but we'll be enjoying these noodles together also. So I hope you guys are having something yummy while watching this video. If not, go grab something, eat with me, or eat something later. So I've been wanting to try these wings out. I've had the ghost pepper one before, and I actually ate one in the car. I was so hungry. You know, I wake up, I get super starving in the cold winter. I'm like, oh, my tummy's growling. I'm so hungry. I cannot wait to go have food. So we're having it a little earlier today, actually. It's not even noon yet. So I went to a Popeye's at 11 o'clock. I've been waiting outside since like 10:50. Waiting for them to open. And then I walked in as soon as the clock turned 11. So now you know how excited I am for these. So this one, let's go for it. Since I have this one in my hand, this one's the signature hot. So let's pop this baby open. And if we need some more dipping sauce, we'll be using the butter ranch. I'm so excited. Yeah, it's got like Louisiana, what's that sauce? Frank sauce kind of smell? Yeah. So let's go for one of them. Alright, there's 2 here. Okay. So once again, this is the signature hot. Let's give it a little bit more sauce. So excited. Let's go for it. Cheers. Oh yeah. I'm loving it. Oh god. So we'll be rating these. It's so good. Okay. So this is the second flavor that I have. The one ghost pepper wing I had in the car was good, but I find this one even better. So I'll give this a 4.5 out of 5. It's sweet, sour, spicy. Oh, it's not sweet. It's sour. Very quite sour. Oh, it's good. And the spice is getting to me, so it creeps up on you. Oh, yum. I'm loving it. I love it. Okay, I guess the buttermilk. This makes it tastes a little bit cheesy. So it's not from the wings. I kind of prefer it without the salsa. Yeah, it's that kick. Oh, so good. They were not cheap though, I gotta tell you. So I got 5 flavors, 6 pieces each. It cost me about $50 something. I kind of don't want to stop eating, but we have to try all the flavors and then we'll go back for more. So let's go for, let me clean my palate first. This one here is a garlic parmesan. Oh yeah. Okay. So it's like a yellowy mustard kind of sauce. Okay, give it more sauce. They didn't like smother in sauce though. Oh, garlic parmesan. It is very garlicky. You taste the parmesan. Wow, it's so good. I think this is a flavor I've never had before. Very cheesy. Oh, I love it. It's like a pasta. Wing. Got a rich flavor for such a low wing. I love it. It's very well made. Spot on. Clean the bone. Don't let it go to waste. Oh, for these wings, they do not disappoint. Not yet so far at least. Oh, they're loaded with flavor. Okay, so I give this 4.5 out of 5. It's still really good, just so good. It's crispy. Oh yeah. Let's have another one. Gotta save some space for that noodle. Okay. I like it, but I think I prefer the other one. The previous one before. This is really good. Popeye makes really good wings. Yummy. Gotta clean my hands first. Okay. So that's put the garlic parmesan down, and let's try the honey barbecue. Give it a shake. Woo. Oh. Okay. Personally, I'm not a big fan of barbecue, but we'll give this a go. Cheers. I smell the smoky flavor already. I'm liking this too. What's wrong with me? I'm liking them all. Okay. I think your taste buds changed as you age throughout the years, because actually I think I'm starting to like barbecue. The flavor barbecue has kind of grown on me. I'm liking it. It's not overpowering. There's just sweetness to it. Love it. Let's do another one. This one has more sauce on it. I love it. It would taste good with a little bit of rice. Yummy. Yes, please. I feel so spoiled having all the flavors at once. I think there's one more flavor to try. Got the honey garlic. I don't think it can disappoint. Okay, we didn't rate the honey barbecue. It's so good. I have to rate it 4.5 out of 5 again. honey garlic. Give it a shake. Come on, open big. Oh yeah, smells like honey. Let's go for this small bite first. Oh yeah, here's the crunch. Great taste. Okay. This one's a little on the sweeter side. Yeah. So you get that sweet. It's very, very sweet. Tastes like Chinese restaurant style chicken wings, or honey garlic, pork and stuff. It's a little too sweet for me. I give this a 4 out of 5. I'm surprised. I think I like this the least favorite. Usually, I love honey garlic. Anything honey garlic. It's just overly sweet for my liking. Let's have another one. I love these crunchy bits. But these wings are absolutely delicious. Yeah. So I'll try the ghost garlic for you guys. I had this one in the car. Have another one. I remember them, so they're not too spicy. Usually I like the dry wings, but they're still good. They're still good. It's better without the sauce. Or maybe you need another sauce for it. Oh, yum! So let's rate them. I gave a lot of them, most of them 5.5. Sorry, what am I saying? 4.5 out of 5, but I'm gonna rank in order. So I think my all-time favorite is a signature hot. Second comes in the honey barbecue. No, it's not the honey barbecue. Yeah, it is the honey barbecue, sorry. I got that confused with the honey garlic. Yeah. And then I like the ghost pepper wings. And then I think it's garlic parmesan. So my least favorite is the honey garlic, just because it's so sweet, overly sweet. Okay, actually, these wings did fill me up pretty good. I didn't need the noodles, but let's make it. Let's have a little bit. Let's pour the sauce on top. So it comes with this package. So this, if I remember correctly, is a little bit like spicy, sweet. It says, okay, 3S spicy, sweet, and sour. Okay, I didn't remember it being sour, so I loved it. I didn't eat really spicy food back in the days, so this was quite spicy for me, actually. Mixing time. No, there's no water. Okay, let's pour some of my drinking water in. It's a little too much. Oh no, I overdo it all the time. So that's this one again. Let me show you. I think you can get it in a package too, but today I got it in a cup size. Bowl size. Okay. Mix. Okay, it's not mixing too good. So this, I think they eat it. It's kind of like those cold noodles. I used to love those cold noodles you get at Korean restaurants. Let's try this. That's how it looks. It doesn't look too overly spicy, but okay. The noodles are a little bit on the soggy side, but still good. Yeah. So sweet, a little bit spicy, not overly much. Spice level will be 3 out of 5. Like 5 being fire noodle. Okay, yeah, spicy. It's really good. So if you like the sweet, spicy kind of noodle, you'll go for this. You gotta try this. I guess you can garnish it with like cucumber and egg and stuff like that. This will be refreshing sometime. Still, my throat is feeling the spice on something though. I was too excited, was eating too fast. All done. That was really good actually. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed everything. If you haven't tried out the Popeyes chicken wings new flavors, go try some. Let me know what you think about the wings. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed them all so much, including this noodle. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in my next one. Love you guys. Take care. Bye.